Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for spiritual and wellness product business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here with build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with such AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. So and also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Now you can enter your business type. Okay, now you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here, spa products manufacturer. So let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna get started from here. Okay, so as you see here, you can enter your informations, your name, your business name, and your email, your address, your phone. And also you can add the social link. Okay, so let's continue. Now as you see, you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive to attract more customers to your website. So don't forget the simple details like the themes, like the colors and like the fonts. So it's more important to make your site look attractive. Now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now you can add page to your site. Okay, if you want. So let's continue. You can just skip this if you want, and you can customize it later. Now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Okay, now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the you can add elements, you can add sections, you can add pages, and you can design your site. First of all, if you want to add elements, you can start from the text, the theme text, the titles, and the paragraphs. And also here you can customize, you can upload images and import images. Also you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons. Here you can customize the payments buttons. And here if you wanna customize the decorative section, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add in your home page. Whatever you like, you can just select the style and the type of your section. And if you want to customize your design, your site design, you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. So let's move on to the first section here, the header section. So you can do a quick edit. So you can, for example, you can edit the paragraph, this site name right here. You can manage the horizontal menu. So let's move on, nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. As you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background. So if you want to change the text right here, just click on it and you can create another AI text. Just describe what you want in your text. So for example, if you want to change this one, just click here and describe what you want in your text, a title or a welcome section, whatever you like, and it's gonna create it for you. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the product section, so you can manage your products, you can create your product. You can add new products. physical products, you can choose physical products or digital files, so this is depends on your product. Okay, so as you see here, you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos. Also you can add product information, the name and the description. Also here you can customize the price and options. So you can turn this on, for example, and customize the discount and the sale price. Also you can customize the inventory and the shipping. So that's it. After you're done, you can just save this place and go back to the editor to complete the design. Also here we have about section. So as you see, you can change this text right here. Just create another AI text, and you can select just the type of the section you have to insert information to include here, and it's gonna create it for you. Okay. Also, if you wanna change the fonts and the style and the type and the size, so you can just select your favorite size, and you can also change the heading. Okay, so as you see, you can also change this image right here. You can just click here, and you can, if you want to change as a color or as the image, you can search on the search and select your favorite image. Okay. Okay, so if you want to change the color, if you want to change the color right here. Okay, for example this one. So that's it. Also you can move this section, you can move it down or move it up if you want. You can add more actions, like if you want to duplicate the section, also you can delete it from here. You can do a quick edit, section layout, section settings. So that's it. So this is the last section here, so this is the footer section, so you can just customize your company name for the copyright. Okay, so before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also you can save this editor page right here. So that's it. After this, if you want to publish your website, you can just click here and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.